Hello, in this example, we will show how in Quick Pallet Maker we can load containers with boxes that have been saved in the Standard Cases and Pallets window, more specifically in the SKUs tab. Here in this window, we can save boxes for further use. These are products that we have on the list and that we can use many times. We have shown previously how to load on pallets, and here we will show how to load them on containers. So to add the products, we can add them from a spreadsheet and select them. Copy, and then paste to the list. Here, now we will have the list of products, and we see that the units are in centimeters because that's how the units were originally. 1 here in this column is centimeters. 0 is millimeters, and 2 is inches. So now that we have these products, we can fill containers with that. So we can go to File, New Data Sheet, Fill Container. We're working with centimeters and kilograms in this case. We just drag a couple of boxes, select them, and then we can drag to this window, and we'll see, they're here. We just calculate automatically. We will calculate 1 container per box, because if we have the amount equals 0. But if we go back and enter an amount here, for example, 200, and 100 of the other type, we'll calculate a container fill. Okay. All right. We can also change the units, and the software will convert the dimensions automatically. So for instance, in settings, let's change it to millimeters and kilograms. Click OK. We open a new window, fill container. And then here it's working with millimeters and kilograms. And when we drag the boxes, the dimensions are converted. See here. Same thing here. We just calculate and we'll get the load. Thank you.